Good morning, traders. This is your opening bell from me, Adam Harris. Now, interesting, obviously, as we head closer towards Christmas, this is a season, a part of time a part of the year where most of the world is actually going to take some time off. The market is going to start to slow down a little bit. It's very rare to get some very aggressive movements between now and then. So today we have no economic calendar news. We have no earnings. We have some dividends coming out of Broadcom, Smith & Wesson, you'll know them, they obviously manufacture guns, and Volkswagen. And there's no IPOs, there's no splits. There's really not much going on. When I have a look at the markets, when I look at the charts technically, this is what's interesting to me is that we had a very bearish weekly candle, a bearish engulfing weekly candle across a lot of the charts. Normally, what that would mean is that this week it would be reasonable to expect a bearish follow through. So that means that based off that, it's reasonable to expect that this week we will see strong dollar and we will see most of the global indices head lower down to the next major support levels. We will see gold come under pressure, silver come under pressure. We will see oil, crude oils come under pressure as well. We will see equities come under pressure. Cryptos as well will start to head lower, and we'll see euro dollar go down. We'll potentially see dollar yen go up. We do have some Bank of Japan interest rates as well as monetary policy news coming out this week, and therefore we could see some changes in that. And so that's what is much more likely to happen. We've had some really good recovery in most of the equity markets, and so my expectation was for a correction, but not so much of a bearish signal at major resistance levels. So plan A for today is to prepare for a stronger US dollar, to expect that to happen. If it doesn't, that's great, but it is the most likely outcome this week. And the question is, will it really kick off today? We'll know sure enough when the US session starts later in the day. So for today and for this week, be prepared. For myself, normally I'm not going to be trading so much between Christmas and the New Year. I usually look at the markets, but not necessarily actively trade. The volume does drop, liquidity does drop, but it's really worthwhile doing some analysis as a general exercise. So today and this week, I'm looking for that stronger dollar. I'm expecting most of the markets to come under pressure, and it's going to be interesting to see how that plays out. So from me, I want to wish you a fantastic day. Trade carefully, sensibly, focus on your trading plan. And what is it? Plan your trade and trade your plan. Thank you very much and have a great day.